Hey, Marinus here. This video I'm going to show you how to calculate the BPM mathematically from the song file. So in this case, I've opened it up in Reaper. I'm looking at it with the spectrogram, and I'm looking at primarily the drum hits because they're easiest to pick out. So if you notice, wherever we place the cursor, we get the specific time code for it here. So, as an example here, we're going from 18.192 to 18.341. So 18.192 to 18.341. So those are the time codes, and then the beats in this case, this example is just 1, and then the beats per minute will be 1 minute 60 seconds. Since we're measuring these times in seconds, and then we divide by the difference between that and that, which is the time of the beats. And yes, finish 4. And in this case, we get a nonsensical value. Oh, because I hit multiply instead of divide. Okay, so in that case, this is actually, that beat right there is at 402 beats per minute, which is pretty crazy fast. So let's look at that. Let's average a few of them. So let's look again. In this case, we'll start with the same beat there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll go out to here. That's 7 of them. Those are pretty equidistantly spaced. Oh, actually, 1, 8, 9, 10, 11. In this case, if there's equidistantly spaced, I like to do as many as possible because then you can average the error, because there's always going to be a little bit of error wherever you place the cursor. So there we have 11 of them, and we're going to 19.856. I'm going to copy this. Come down here, and this one's at 19.856, and there are 11 beats. So I haven't done this yet, but we need to come in here and then divide this again by 11, or because we're dividing, we multiply by 11, and which comes out to 396 beats per minute. So that right there is not too inconsistent with the 189. If we divide that by 2, we come out with 198, which again, fairly close, not exactly, but that's one place we can use. Now this is fairly in the beginning of the map. I also like to check to see if it stays consistent through the map. So we'll come out here, we'll look again. We'll start with this one, is 54.715. And we'll go with a number of equidistance at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll stop at this one because we start with some fast drum hits after that. So that's 7, that is 55.808. And there's 7, and copy this formula. And just going to use that. And there we come out to 384. And if we divide that in half, there again, we're pretty close to the 190, the 189 that I kind of picked out as mapping. So, in a nutshell, that's how you can figure that out. But since we're in here, I am very curious of these. So there's just a rapid series of drum hits. There are 8 of them going from 55.808 to 56.383. And that is blazing fast. 834 drum hits in that section. I'm going to play that quick so you can hear it. It's going to be crazy. Yeah, it's really fast. I am actually amazed that they are that consistently spaced, especially for playing live. I've seen Pennywise play live. They are fantastic. But that is just incredible that a drummer can smash that fast. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Another tip and trick to use whenever you're having trouble finding the actual BPM of a song.